there's a stress added to it.
Ka Central Puja Committee lani CPC kelas dang ke tamasa le niam Durga Puja mentau snem da ka Jingiakynduh lang Halor ka Jingduwai ha Kenche stress Puja mandaf henen ka sngi na ka Bynta ka Shongsuk ka Shongsaiñ Menteri dang ba ka Jelau Konrad Sangma ulai don lang ha kene ka Jingiakynduh lang ringkat kinongelam jong ki Shongsaiñ perthei bat ki seng bahlang haba ai jingkran ha kene ka sngi Menteri dang ba ula ong ba kamdon da ka weipat ka khubor ka ba khambahan ka Bynta ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ na lo ka Jingiakynduh lang jong baro kinongelam niam ka balong ka Jingjob jong ka babha ya ka basnieu bat kanang pankhlañ ya ka Jingelong Shipara bat ka Shongsuk ha padeng ki jaj benrieu beper.
Applause for both of them, please. Very, very unique. And I think at that time,
we all know religion plays a very, very vital and important role in our society. And when religious leaders come together, and especially take up issues that are very important and key to society, it makes a huge difference on how we tackle the issue and how we resolve the issue. And hence I strongly recommend that not just at the state central level, but even at the district levels, different regional levels, there should be an effort to bring in this peace and harmony by institutionalizing these kind of systems.
Menteri dang ba ka Jelau